Hello students, welcome to Sure classes. You can reach us at www.sureofsirclasses.com or call us or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9836793076. You can also email us at sureofsirclasses@gmail.com. So today we will be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. Let's move on. So we have question number 58 in hand. For H2 molecule, the fundamental vibrational frequency, or nu can be taken as 4400 centimeter inverse. The 0 point energy of the molecule is what we have to find out in kilojoule per mole and round it out to 2 decimal places. The value of H is given, and that of c, that is the speed of light, is also given, and that of Na is also given. So we know that equals to n plus half into h nu. So for 0 point energy, E will be equal to half into h nu. So now E by hc will be equal to half into h nu by hc. Subsequently, the h cancels out, so we have half into nu by c, and we know that c equals to nu lambda, so nu by c will be equals to 1 by lambda. So this is essentially the wave number, 1 by lambda, and so this is equals to half into 1 by lambda. So E will be equal to half into 1 by lambda into hc, taking this hc that side. So now we know that 1 by lambda has been given as 440 centimeter inverse. So this will be equal to half into 4400 centimeter inverse into the value of h is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule seconds. This is in centimeter inverse, this is in joule seconds, and the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 approximately centimeter, that is meter second per second, so inverse. And we can also convert it to centimeters, so this will be 10 to the power 10 because this is in centimeter inverse, so we will try to keep it in a uniform unit. So here we should know that centimeter inverse and centimeter cancels each other, the units cancel. So this is joule seconds, and here we have second inverse, so this will also cancel. Subsequently we will be left with joule, so we can say that by comparing the units we can also say that we are progressing correctly. This will be in joules, and we had half into 4400 into 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34, so 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 34, and the value of c was 3 into 10 to the power 10 in centimeters, so this is in joule total. This will be equal to 2200 into 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 3 into 10 to the power 10 into 10 to the power minus 3. This comes because we will convert it in kilojoules because we need the answer in kilojoules per mole. So this is in kilojoules, and we know that the Avogadro number, or Na, is 6 into 10 to the power 23 mole inverse. So in order to find the answer in kilojoules per mole, we need to multiply it with 6.6 into 10 to the power 23 joule per mole inverse. So this will be all total equal to 26.136 kilojoules per mole. This is in kilojoules. So the answer is 26.136, and we have to round it up to 2 decimal places, and so this 6 will convert this 3 to 4, so this will be 26.14 kilojoules per mole. So the answer is 26.14. Thank you.